HC2297 is an upgrade from our basic 20 series. Our develop team has created a new vacuum and explosion protection integrated structure. We use 3 sealing ring to create multiple level of protections, ensure that HC2297 is safe and efficient. HC2297 also has a 360-degree rotation pressure protection structure to release the pressure over limited within 1 second by an instant exhaust system. New modular cylinder is connected to the base by thread and sealed on surface. This design has reduced the difficulty of replace. The cylinder is fully transparent and visible. It was made by special materials. With this high-strength material, its temperature resistance up to 120 degrees. HC2297 has come with various specification of sucker. It has include 5mm, 6mm, 7mm and 8mm in the package. We have redesigned the lifting rod locking mechanism with new structure inside. We are able to make it damage-free and increase the air tightness of the tank. Liquid level protection cover is a new design in HC family. It can avoid the damage of liquid level tube from any external force. HC2297 has a new oil collection cap at the bottom of the machine. The old oil will flow into this cap. Once it is out of use, it is able to keep the floor clean and tidy. We know that engineers need space for tools, so we have designed a toolbar on the body for a quick access. HC2297 has developed a new non-center oil receiving tray. Because of this modular, the range of oil receiving has increased by 100 mm. We also develop a new support rod with 4 rods to make sure they're stable when moving the machine. HC2297 has designed optional anti-splash and oversized extension. With using this extension, the oil will no longer splash everywhere. The top structure is built by 3 pieces. It can save up to 55 when shipping overseas. HC2297 is just one of the waste oil drainer extractor member in our product family. Except 22 series, we have 20 series for our basic series, 32 series and 42 series as our professional series. At the same time, we also have electrical extractor. Most of our products are making promotion in the period of Canton Fair. Hope you enjoy this video.